Hello and welcome to the Daily Forex Report for July 19th. We are looking at the U.S.-Japanese yen pair. This pair continues to move sideways overall. Look for this to potentially go as high as 79.64, possibly as low as 78.41. Look for some resistance around 79.50 and look for some support around 78.75. Now looking at the Euro-USD pair, this pair closed higher during today's market action. Overall, still moving sideways. Look for it to potentially go as high as 142.88, possibly as low as 139.89. Look for some resistance around 142.15 and look for some support around 140.60. Now the pound US dollar pair, this pair moved sideways, did close up for today. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 162.69, possibly as low as 159.50. Look for some resistance around 161.75 and look for some support around 160.15. Now the US Swiss, this pair moved higher today. Has been moving higher all week so far. Of course, this is only the end of the second session in this week. We are looking for it to potentially go as high as 0.8346, possibly as low as 0.8098. Look for some resistance around 0.8275 and look for some support around 0.8200. Now, as far as news announcements go, we are looking for the Bank of England to release their minutes at 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Shouldn't affect the market too much because the numbers have already been released. We also have the Canadian dollar releasing their monetary policy report at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. Kind of the same deal on that one. The numbers have already been released, so when we actually get the report, it usually has very benign results. Now, looking ahead, what am I looking for during this next session? Well, we have two swing trade opportunities, one in the Euro USD and one in the Pound USD. You can see here it's created over the past 3 sessions. We do have a high here as a potential target. Excuse me, looking for a breakout to the upside of about 50 pips there, 50 to 52 pips to the upside. Use a risk to reward of 1-to-1, so your stop loss would be right around here. Now let's take a look at the pound US dollar pair. This one, not quite as many pips to look for. However, we do still have a potential. This would be more of a scalping opportunity for those of you who are interested in it. Looking to grab roughly about 15 pips. Now on this one, I'd probably use a 30 pip stop loss. I know I typically use a 1-to-1, but when you're dealing with such close numbers, typically I like to at least give it about 30 pips worth of room. So looking to grab 15 off of the pound. Well, that about wraps us up for today. Hope that helps, and until next time, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.